Hi Tesla fans, I'm Ellie, this is Oliver, and today we have another DIY video for you on how you can completely change the look of your Model Y without spending a lot of money. So for those of you that purchase a Model Y from Tesla, the standard wheel is a 19-inch wheel. It's called the Gemini wheel, which essentially really is a plastic hubcap. And while some of you might like the way that looks, the overall consensus and the feedback that we get from customers around the world every day is that they don't like it, which is why we sell our wide range of flow forged wheels. But for those of you that actually want a less expensive solution, something that you could do yourself, today we are introducing our brand new TSY14 Aero covers, 14 spokes, finished in satin black to perfectly match all the trim on your Model Y and your door handles, which is satin black from Tesla. When you receive this package at your home, you're gonna actually get 4 Aero covers, 4 plain satin black center caps, which easily just stick on, and a roll of this foam. And the reason why we include this foam is to protect the wheel on the underside, but also reduce any type of vibrations. We have noticed and received a lot of feedback from owners like yourself around the world that the factory hubcaps actually do create a little bit of vibration, and if you take them off and put them back on, they might actually damage the wheel as well. We find that this is the right solution, so that's gonna be included as well. The only tool that you're really gonna need are a pair of scissors. So I'm gonna have Oliver show you how quickly and easy it is to go ahead and remove these Tesla hubcaps and then install our brand new Aero covers.
So we're gonna go remove this Gemini hubcap here. To do it, all you do is you put your hands behind where the spokes are and you pull forward, and you'll find half of it will pop out, then go to the other side and do the same on the other side, and you've removed. So to prepare these hubcaps for install onto this Model Y, first of all, we're going to need to put the center cap into the center of the wheel by peeling this self-adhesive off. And then on the back, you can do this if you want. We find it's a little bit better because you get a little bit more noise, less noise, sorry. So we're going to put some of the foam all the way around the outside of the rim. So when you get back round to the start, you just use some scissors. It doesn't matter if it overlaps at all, and just trim it. So it meets up like this. Do this on all 4, and then we're going to go drop this on the car. So on the hubcap itself, it looks almost identical all the way around. There is one notch which is slightly different. So at the top here, this is where your valve stem for your tire inflator is going to go. So line that up with the one you've got on the car, and then you'll feel it will kind of sit itself right. Then once it's in position, just tap around the wheel, and then it's on.
What do you guys think? Isn't this so much better? I personally think it's a huge improvement over the Geminis. So I'd love to hear some comments below. Please let us know your opinion. Do you prefer the Geminis, or do you prefer our brand new Aero covers? Thank you so much for watching. Many more videos coming your way soon.